everybody, welcome back to Chemistry Kitchen Labs. This will be lab number 7. For this lab you're going to need distilled water, lemon juice, tap water, your pH strips, your baby dropper so that you can measure, also a disposable dropper, and baking soda, as well as a Ziploc bag. So to start, we will go ahead and put 25 milliliters of distilled water into our Ziploc bags. After you have your distilled water into your bag, you're going to go ahead and take a pH strip and test the pH level. After you test your pH level, you will go ahead and record your results. Next, we will add 5 drops of lemon juice into the water. You'll then record your pH level again. So we can see that it's already starting to change in acidity simply by adding just a few drops of lemon juice. So you will continue to do that for the continuation of the amount of drops you need to add for the distilled water. And then you will add baking soda to neutralize, and you will start again with. After you've set up your control with your distilled water, we're going to go ahead and do it with tap water. So go ahead and add 25 milliliters of tap water to your bag. And we'll go ahead and start by testing the pH level right away with that. And after testing your pH level, you'll go ahead and record your results. And as we can see, the tap water is much more on the neutral, towards the neutral side. Next, we will add 5 drops of lemon. And then we will go ahead and take our pH strips and test it again. And then you'll continue to do this and record your results until you see, and you'll see how many drops it takes to get the tap water to under 5. So after you have neutralized your water, you're going to go ahead and compare your results with the 2 different waters. You're going to compare how many drops it took for you to get your distilled water to be below 5, and then how many drops it took you to get your tap water to be below 5.